So you've got your DTF transfers, you've got your blank apparel, and you've got your heat press. But you're not getting orders out as quickly and efficiently as you'd like, and you're not making the money you're exactly looking for here. That's where we come in. Follow me, I'll show you how to set yourself up for success. All right, so here we've got our pretty basic shop setup here that's gonna help you get your transfers pressed up a lot more quickly and efficiency. Of course, we've got our blank apparel, we've got the transfers, cool air blower, as well as our alignment kit just to make sure everything's lined up perfectly. Then of course we have our heat press here, and then we've got our staging spot right here where we're gonna put the finished product after our second press. So you see here, not a lot of movement, kind of reduces the effort that it takes to get stuff done here. You're not gonna be walking around wandering, looking for what you need to do. You've got everything laid out right here. Gonna be very efficient, gonna get everything done very fast for you. All right, and we are ready to press now that we've got our setup. So of course we'll grab our blanks, lay that out here. Of course, always recommend our alignment ruler set to make sure everything's lined up perfectly every time. And of course we hit it with the press, 320 for 15 seconds. And what's nice about a double-headed press like this one is while that one's pressing, I can get another one set up over here as well. Of course, not necessary depending on the size of your operation, but definitely a worthwhile investment if you are going to be doing a lot of volume. So grab a transfer, lay that down, and just repeat the process like so. And of course, hit it with the cool air blower. Speed that process up a bit so you're not sitting around waiting. Like I said, it's all about efficiency here. Time is money. And then look at that. Hit it with our second press. And while we're doing that, we pull down the other one. And that's gonna really save you a lot of time, obviously, with the double press, but even if you aren't using the double press, it's still gonna be a lot faster here for you with this setup that we're working with. Now we have our first shirt finished. Going to lay that out here in the staging area. Hit our other shirt with that second press, and then we're just going to repeat that process until the job's done. And as you can see right there, even with the cool peel, we're getting a lot done a lot more quickly. We're not wasting a lot of movement, and the more shirts you press, the more money you're going to make. Pretty simple. So of course, as we're getting this done, your press settings are going to be really important as well. So these here, 100% cotton shirts, just press them at 320 for 15 seconds, but you can press these on anything. The process is gonna be identical. Only thing you're gonna tweak really is gonna be your time and temp, depending on how sensitive the garment is to heat. So if we're doing polyester or something like that, probably hit it somewhere around 290, 300 for 10 to 15 seconds, depending on how thin that material is as well. And last one here, as you can see, what could take you if you're scrambling around, moving stuff all over the place, could take you a little bit longer than you like. Just getting these done, even with the double presses and everything, is a really quick process when you've got the right setup. All right, and this shows not only is your setup important to efficiency, but also just the print method you're using. With DTF, it's a lot easier. As you can see, you just go ahead, get your design, heat press that right on there, and you're good to go. If we were screen printing this design, we've got 1 to 5 colors or so in that design. It's gonna take forever to burn those screens. Hit them with an impression each time for those different colors. It really just adds time, especially for what was a shorter run here. Just not worth the time and the effort, not worth the money on your end either. But with direct to film, regardless of the size of the order, what you're pressing on, or how many colors, it's going to be a cost-effective and efficient way to get your orders done and out the door.